Hi, it's Renee. I got another one of my Scrapbook Kit clubs, and of course, it's for December. I got 2 sets of diamond art card kit. I don't know how to diamond paint, but we'll try it. I don't guarantee how it's going to come out. I also got a set of stickers with Christmas lights on it, and 2 sets of Simple Stories Floral Bits, Hearth and Holiday, 50 pieces in each pack. And then I got 2 sets of Home for Christmas by Carta Bella, if I could speak here, Echo Park, with full sticker sheets. I can use this in my December daily, which I'm getting ready. Got to get all the pictures developed from Christmas. And then I can use this in my December daily and scrapbooking. This is all I have for now. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day or night wherever you're at, and Happy New Year. Bye for now.